YouTube, what's going on, y'all? I got my Boxycharm. Yeah, I know I'm excited. This box came yesterday on the 8th, and I was so excited because last month, I don't think I got mine until the 22nd. This looks to be the premium box. I'm just judging from the side. So let's just jump in here and see what your girl got. Oh, okay. It's not as full, and I missed the choice day, so I have no idea what's in here. Y'all, these version numbers are insane. I got version C21023722PM. Heart. Whatever that is. That's a lot. And the theme is Boxycharm XOX. I guess there's supposed to be some love in this box. And the first thing I see is just sitting right here looking at me on top, so I had to pick it up. This is Love Script Anti-Aging Delicate Leave-On Mask. A what? Love Script? Delicate Leave-On Mask. This delicate. Let me let y'all see what this is, and then I'll read it. Okay. Your body is a temple. Cherish it. That's what it says. It says this decadent, nutrient-rich leave-on cream mask will envelop the delicate skin of your décolleté and neck to reveal a velvety, soft texture. Okay, let me go ahead on that. That's what it looks like, y'all. It's just a white cream. Let me go ahead on and see. Oh, that's too much. Put something on my head. Let me go ahead on and give my neck soft. Okay, I probably shouldn't have did that. Oh, but it feels good. It feels good. We'll see. We will see. Girl. Y'all see how quick I had to hurry up open that? Girl, look, that's something different for Boxycharm. Something that I can definitely put on my table and use daily until it's gone. And that was $58. Ooh, shoot. I should have put a whole lot of that back. $58. Okay, it's a new lunch. Rich probiotic leave-on mask. Body lotion. Okay. The next thing I see here. Elemis Muscular Active Body Oil. That's what this says now. This is, where is it? Elemis Muscular Active Body Oil. Let's open it up, y'all. Then I try to see that little writing. Oh, ooh, this is cute. This is what it looks like. It says a fast-absorbing body oil that contains a powerful synergy of extracts to help relax and ease tension of tired muscles, infused with Moritime pine, sea buxton, sea funnel, rosemary essential oil. It envelops you in a calming, uplifting fragrance while softening and smoothing your skin. Soothing your skin. Let's see, how do you open this? Girl, I don't know how to get in here, but I want to smell it. I don't know how to open it. Oh, ain't this something? I can't get in it. So I can't tell y'all what it smells like till I figure out how to get in it. But it is cute. I love the packaging. This is a glass bottle. That's why I don't want to break it. Trying to hurry up and get in it. Okay, I'm going to let my son figure out how to open this because I cannot figure out how to get in it. Anyway, that oil, this is $63. Okay, $63 and $58. This box is $49. So either one of these products just paid for the box. So I guess I could say I bought the body oil and everything else is free, you know, or I bought the lotion and everything else is free at this point. You know what I'm saying? So I'm cool with Boxycharm premium box. I just can't let them go, y'all. Okay, the next thing I see in here, now I'm feeling a little bit of some kind of way about. And this is the BALM This is a Barley Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Balm. Let me tell y'all why I'm feeling some kind of way about this. Yeah, this is the exact same thing that I got in my IPSY box last month. I'm not upset, kind of, but since they kind of mingling, doing things together, I don't think they should do this because I expected something different, but it's a good balm. But if it had been one of those things that I hated and I got another one, I'm like, what? But either way, it's good, so I ain't gonna complain. But I just had to, express my little bit of concerns for future reference. Anyway, the next thing I have, guys, is a Tarteist Pro Double Take Eyeliner. Now these I love. These I absolutely love. Before the Milk Makeup line pencils came along, these, y'all, was my favorite. They have the black liner on the bottom, which I love because they be so soft and it's so dark. And then on the other end, it's your marker liner. Yeah, I used to buy these all the time. I probably got one over here in my backup drawer. Let me see. Well, I ain't gonna waste y'all time looking for one, but I do know these are a staple and I absolutely love these, so I'm happy to have that. And that Tarteist Pro liner was $24. $24. And the next thing I have in here is banana powder by Ofra. Really? I didn't know Ofra made a banana powder. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Alright. This is the packaging. And this says, this innovative matte powder is lightly banana scented and extremely versatile. Use it to conceal dark under eye circles, set concealer, foundation, highlight, and even matte your eyeshadows. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's a little mirror up there, but it's got a piece of plastic covering it. Okay. Oh, it's a good mirror. Oh, a real good mirror. Yeah. And that's what the powder looks like. So let's go ahead on and see what it do. What it do. Oh. Can y'all see that difference? Okay, this going on top shelf already. Y'all can see the difference from this eye to the girl. Girl. Okay. I can see the little bright. A little too bright, but it's bright. Have to go back over with some powder. But it definitely brightened. Or just go ahead on and spray my face with some of this Tarte Miracle Mist. Yeah, I'm good with this. I am good with this. This going on top shelf too. This box is good so far. I am really enjoying it. And the last thing I have in this box is a Glam Glow. Oh wait, let me tell you how much the offer was. It was $35 for that banana powder. And the last thing I have in here is a Glam Glow product. I'm shocked because I used to be obsessed with Glam Glow. This is Glam Glow Super Mattifying Clarifying Oil Control Face Primer. I didn't know they made a face primer. Okay. Let's look at this. Oh. Oh, this is the packaging, y'all. Ain't that cute? This is a lightweight oil control primer for acne-prone skin that instantly mattifies and helps keep shine in check all day, so makeup looks on point. Oh, and that's a mirror. Oh, y'all know that because y'all could see my camera when I was doing that and outside. Duh. Let's open this up, y'all. It's got a little clip. And there's another mirror. And a little spoon, I guess, to scoop it out. Oh, and it's gray. and it feels like a balm. Okay, I have never heard of this, but I'm definitely gonna look it up and I'm definitely gonna try it and let y'all know how this works for me. I dropped the little thing, but yeah. Okay, this month's box was on point. As far as I love it. I think it was a good box. Yeah, I'm excited to try a lot of things in this box. I dropped my little spoon, y'all. I find it. I'm happy to have this. I'm happy for this. Yeah, this box, and I gotta get into this, y'all, because this oil gonna be perfect. I bought me an at-home infrared sauna. Girl, finna start getting right for the summer. And this, yeah, I like this box. Everything, I didn't get one dud or one thing in this box that I don't like. So, only thing that'll stop me from liking this is if it stink. But I'm gonna put this on before I get in the sauna. I mean, after I get out of the sauna, and it is what it is, and I'm going to sleep with it. So, yeah. Good night. I mean, good night. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all have a wonderful day today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.